Marriages are not forever.
What?
Relax, Shailaja. As we dig deeper in our today's podcast, you will understand why did I make such a big statement.
Okay, I'll wait for it. Hi, I'm Shailaja,
Hi,
and
I'm Shilpa.
and the topic for today is how to make marriages and relationships last forever. So, Shilpa, I think we are really waiting to hear why did you say that statement?
Okay. So again, we talk a lot about perspective.
Mm-hmm.
Last podcast maybe we shared perspective on rebound.
Hmm.
I had a very different perspective and you had a very different perspective. Not
Hmm.
that, there's a disclaimer, not that I'm against marriages or committed relationships, but
Mm-hmm.
the reason why I'm saying you'll understand as I, complete what I want to say today.
Mm-hmm.
So, you cannot hold water or you cannot hold sand. What
Mm-hmm.
will happen if you're holding water or sand? It'll just slip away, right?
Right.
You just
Yeah.
can't hold. So
Yeah.
whenever we're too attached to a thing, what is
Mm-hmm.
it bringing us? It's bringing us a lot of stress.
Hmm.
ये मुझे हमेशा चाहिए. This has to be like a forever thing,
Hmm.
right? But
Yeah.
let me ask you this question. Do you think your breath or your life is forever?
I mean, no.
Yes or no? Of course, no.
Yeah, we don't know.
Right?
Yeah.
When you die, what do you take with you?
Nothing.
Nothing. Our body, our soul, it just disappears into the nowhere, but we don't take anything, no matter what designation you hold, how many relationships you have, who you
What
love,
money you have.
your money, you take nothing with you,
Yeah.
right? So
Yeah.
that means everything that you own today or you want to own in your life, everything is temporary.
Yeah.
Yeah. Even your breath is temporary. You
Yeah.
here for a very limited time.
Yeah.
बचपन से हमें क्या सिखाया जाता है मैरिजेस आर फॉरएवर एंड देन व्हेन वी आर इनटू अ रिलेशनशिप वी पुट टू मच ऑफ एफर्ट ये हमेशा के लिए है ये जाना नहीं चाहिए मेरी लाइफ से
Mhm.
ये
Yeah.
छूटना नहीं चाहिए एंड वी लिव इन दैट स्ट्रेस अगर
Mm.
ये चला गया आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू सर्वाइव
Yeah.
लाइक आई
Yeah.
मेड अ पॉइंट जब हमारी ब्रेथ ही सर्टेन नहीं है इट्स देयर फॉर अ लिमिटेड टाइम हाउ कैन वी से दिस इज फॉर एवर and when, I've learned this from Tony Robbins, he makes a very beautiful statement and he says, every morning when I wake up, I look myself into the mirror and I ask myself, if today was my last day, what would I do? If today was my last day, definitely for me, I will leave behind all the grudges. कितनी भी
Mm.
लड़ाई चल रही हो पता है मुझे कल आई एम गोइंग टू डाई आई डोंट वांट टू होल्ड टू दीस grudges. I'll rather have fun. I'll not take life too seriously. I'll not take my relationships too seriously. I'll enjoy with whatever I have,
True. True. True.
right? So if I consider everything as temporary, don't you think the quality of your relationship in your married life will be too much better than when you consider it's permanent and you're giving too much of stress and pressure to it?
Very true. I have an example for this regarding my own life, right? So my husband goes to the ship, right? So
Mhm.
he goes away and he comes back 6 months and he's here for 6 months. This time he went away in 1 month itself.
Hmm.
Okay. He was here for only 1 month.
Hmm.
And he actually made the most of that 1 month.
Hmm.
So much of quality time. I mean, he himself was so more mindful and aware and conscious of the time that he had,
Hmm.
right? So this whole thing that you say, if you think that you just have one day to live, you'll make the most of it.
Hmm.
He didn't even fight during this 1 month. Otherwise, I think you heard all these stories about our fights
Yeah.
every now and then, right? And you keep telling me say something new. So this
Now,
one
do you agree with my perspective that marriages are not forever?
yes, the
Because to
thought,
make them forever, you
yes, the
need to
thought.
believe it's not forever.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Because then that pressure is off,
Yeah.
that stress, that oh my God,
I have to make this
now
work.
to
It
make
has
this
to
better.
work. अगर ये खत्म हो गया, I will die. I'll not survive. My everything is dependent on this thing. We put too much pressure on that one thing.
Yeah.
But अगर I
एनर्जी चेंज ही हो जाता है ना.
exactly कि यार ये है, ये कहीं नहीं जा रहा और अगर है तो
हाँ,
मैं बहुत खुश हूँ और अगर
हाँ,
नहीं है, I'm just giving it a perspective, a thought नहीं है तो भी मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. It's
राइट. एक
temporary.
राइट, राइट.
You will
एक
give your
सेंस ऑफ
relationship a
मतलब वो
lot of
नॉन
more.
अटैचमेंट वाला सेंस, राइट? लाइक आप मतलब दैट पर्सन इज विथ यू बट आप इतना जकड़ के नहीं रखा है आपने. मतलब
Hmm.
there's a lot of freedom, there's a lot of space. I mean something very similar to what we spoke in the previous podcast, right? That whole space and freedom so that no one feels suffocated, right?
Yeah,
And,
yeah.
and the energy is good, the energy of the relationship is good. आपका energy, आपके partner का energy, everything is relaxed. Very interesting, very interesting.
And trust me, Shailaja, if people start understanding, this concept कि मैं अपनी
Mhm.
marriage को, क्योंकि बचपन से society ने हमें सिखाया आपकी marriage, आपका relationship forever है. And
Mhm.
hence too much of pressure, even when we are separating, divorce होते हैं, too much of pressure, societal embarrassment, pressure, from people all around, कि नहीं, marriage end नहीं हो सकती है. But,
Hmm.
बाकी relations की तरह marriage भी end हो सकती है, और अगर नहीं हो सकती, so consider it as any other relationship, then you will be able to give it all your attention and love and freedom, whatever you seeking. उससे क्या होगा, आपकी marriages ज्यादा लंबे टाइम तक last करेंगी.
Very true, very true. So one interesting thing that pops up in my mind when, I've counseled a lot of clients in these past years. What I always tell them is that, any aspect of your life, consider it as a part of your life and not your life. Like,
Absolutely.
अगर मैं मैरिज को ही मेरा लाइफ बना दूंगी तो वो प्रेशर डाल रही हूँ, तो वो प्रेशर कैसे हटाना है? कंसिडरिंग इट एज अ पार्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ.
Yeah,
What is your whole life? What comprises your whole life? Your childhood, your school, your college, your parents, your family, your job, right? And then your marriage, your
mm,
children, your
yeah,
grandchildren.
yeah,
That is your whole life, right?
yeah.
Not just, so marriage is not, just that बस यही एक मेरा life है,
But
ऐसा
वो
नहीं.
क्यों हुआ? Because you beautifully mentioned there are so many segments of our life, right?
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
अगर मैंने मान लिया यही एक चीज है मेरी लाइफ में, तो मैंने
हम्म.
अपनी पूरी एनर्जी उस एक चीज को दी, तो बाकी चीजें पीछे छूट गई.
पीछे ही छूट गई ना.
राइट. बट अगर मैं
इसीलिए
सबको इक्वल अटेंशन दे रही हूँ, मे बी मैरिज को मैंने 40% दिया, बाकी सबको 10-10% करके भी दिया, बट स्टिल देर आर सर्टन अदर एरियाज ऑफ माई लाइफ ऑल्सो.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So our focus is not just solely on that one person. Marriage क्या होता है? That one person.
या
हमारे stress उन पे कम, हम जो stress डाल रहे हैं ना वो भी कम हो जाएगा. So if we consider it just as a part of our life where we are focusing on other aspects, then that's a beautiful way of conducting, your everyday. Right?
Absolutely. And trust me, I've discussed this concepts with so many people ever since I've got to know this concept, and relationships have gotten better only.
Yeah.
Because अब मैं तुम पे रोज प्रेशर नहीं डाल रही कि यू हैव टू डू थिंग्स फॉर मी, यू हैव टू मेक दिस वर्क, यू आर द सोल प्रोवाइडर. नो,
Yeah.
आई एम लिविंग इट एवरी सिंगल डे.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Very true. What other things can we do to make relationships last forever, or marriages last forever?
I think सबसे important चीज है which I have learned from my mentors is my one of my favorite mentor is Matthew Hussey.
Mhm.
I'm just not in love with the concepts he talk about, but I just love his personality and the person he is.
I can see the smile on your face.
And one thing I recently have also discovered in my own life that only love is not enough to make a relationship last forever. Because,
Mhm.
if you remember, we were talking about our last episode where we spoke about the honeymoon period as well.
Yeah.
It's very human, we as people meet so many people in our lifetime. Even if I'm married today or if I'm in a committed relationship, there are chances if I go out for work, if I go here and there, I will meet more people. And it's
Mhm.
very human that we start connecting at a deeper level with more humans as well, even if I'm in a committed relationship,
Hmm.
right? But a lot of people cheat in a relationship because यहाँ की एनर्जी फेड आउट होगी, वो स्पार्क मिसिंग है, किसी और ने ज्यादा अटेंशन दिया, सो वी फील कनेक्टेड टू द अदर पर्सन.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
लव एक टाइम के बाद फेड करेगा.
Hmm. Hmm.
बट इफ आई हैव रिस्पेक्ट फॉर माई पार्टनर,
Hmm.
if I have this thing in my mind very strongly imbibed, ki,
Hmm.
we were talking about this concept last time. I love the whole of you. I
Hmm.
don't like a part of you who's pretty, who's intelligent, who's good looking, or who's kind enough. I love even the ugly parts of you and myself as well.
Hmm. Hmm.
So,
Hmm.
then वो रिस्पेक्ट कभी भी खत्म नहीं होगी. अगर आप अपने ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स को देखो या
Hmm.
फिर अपने पेरेंट्स को देखो, दी ओल्डर जनरेशन, द
Hmm.
रीजन व्हाई देव स्पेंड सो मेनी इयर्स टुगेदर.
Hmm.
पहले तो अरेंज मैरिज होती थी, लव कोई डे वन पे लव नहीं होता था, वो
Right.
ग्रेजुअली होता था,
Gradually
या कई
होता
बार
है.
होता ही नहीं था. So it
True.
was the respect and the commitment towards that person which
Hmm.
made the relationship last forever. But
Hmm.
आज के टाइम में ना लोग रिस्पेक्ट भी नहीं करते और वो कमिटमेंट भी नहीं देते.
Hmm.
They
Hmm. Hmm.
just want, ये चीजें ऐसी नहीं है चलो दूसरा पार्टनर ढूंढते हैं, ये वाला पार्टनर मुझे ये चीज प्रोवाइड नहीं कर रहा, ये दूसरा इंसान मुझे वो ज्यादा अच्छे से समझ रहा है, सो आई रादर मूव आउट ऑफ द रिलेशनशिप. वी आर so much in a rush to jump from relationship to relationship and not give energy to that one person.
Yeah.
अगर आप रिस्पेक्ट करोगे उस इंसान को, ट्रस्ट करोगे, एंड इफ यू हैव दैट कमिटमेंट ऑफ मेकिंग थिंग्स वर्क, trust me, there is no relationship that will ever end.
Very beautiful, Shilpa, because now I just go back to the memories that I have when I first started dating my husband. And he, I like, remember I mentioned in the previous podcast that, I was a little weaker and he was stronger, right?
Yeah.
But thanks to my mindfulness or awareness, I remember this scene very distinctly. We were at 4 a.m. on Juhu Beach. Okay, it was just raining, drizzling, and it was empty, like 4 a.m. Beautiful. Okay, and I just hugged him and I said, no matter what,
Hmm.
don't ever leave me.
Hmm.
Even if I want to leave you,
Hmm.
don't leave me.
Hmm.
And that was so powerful. And I remember I can never forget that whole scene. It's just so clear in my head. Because over the years, how many ever times, I have told him, no, this is not going to work out. No, I'm going to break up, blah, blah, blah. I would have broken up a million times. He's never broken up even once. I would have said break up like a million times. He has stuck to that because he promises, like, I promise you, I'll never leave you. That commitment that you're talking about, it
That's
makes
the difference between a man and a boy. You married a true man, and hence, अगर एक लड़का होता ना, वो बोलेगा कि क्या बकवास tantrums है, I'll rather walk away because I can't deal with these things, and these are the facts. And that brings me to the point, पहले I've heard this so many times. You might have even heard people say that you should always marry a person who loves you rather than the person you love.
Yes, this is so true in my case.
Because that person, like you said, your husband, no matter how many times you break up, he never leaves you. Touch wood. And that's the reason, if you will marry somebody who loves you, he will always take care of you. And, we won't end up taking wrong decisions because right now emotionally I'm feeling weak, or I'm emotionally feeling a certain way. So I want to be with this person.
Yeah. So yeah, I mean, very true. The whole commitment that you talk about, that 100% commitment. I mean, if you find someone giving that 100% commitment, I mean, just hold on to it.
Oh, absolutely.
You're very lucky to receive it.
Rare to find these kinds of relationship in this time, because people
Yeah.
are so much not okay. अगर 10 चीजें किसी ने अच्छी करी होगी, 2 चीजें खराब करी होंगी, they'll rather stick to those two things and they'll say I'll walk out because तुमने ये 2 चीजें
Yeah.
खराब करी है. They'll not
Yeah.
remember those 8 good things you've done for them.
Yeah. So
That's how weak people have become when it comes to committing to relationships.
yeah. That 100% commitment is very important.
Hmm.
So now thinking of the same topic about lasting marriages, one thing that comes to my head is about the conventional marriage.
Hmm.
The
Arranged marriage concept.
not the arranged marriage concept, just the concept of having a conventional marriage, right? Because, like you said, we have grown up with the thought of a marriage.
Hmm.
Marriage is forever.
Yeah.
Marriage is like this. Marriage में ये होता है, marriage में वो होता है. So the moment you get married, you start expecting those things from each other,
Yeah.
and I think that's when things start going wrong, right?
True.
So according to me, like, even the lifestyle that I consider that I have with my husband, people call us very unconventional. They say that you are the most unconventional couple that we know, and somewhere I take a lot of pride in that because
Yeah.
they said, we've not seen married couples like you.
Yeah.
It's very important that we create our own rules.
Yeah.
We create our own
Of a
rules.
couple.
Exactly. Within the marriage, what works for you? See, many people have, different areas that interest them. They want their space, right? What is it that works for you as a couple, right? रोज साथ में ही रहना है, जहां जाना है साथ में ही जाना है, अकेले नहीं जाना है, all these things.
शादी के बाद ये नहीं करना है, वो नहीं,
हाँ, वो
all
नहीं
this
करना
set
है.
of rules.
Yeah, so we have never lived like that. Like, he has been able to live his life the way he wants to. I have been able to live my life the way I want to. And together, we are living a life together where we do things which excites us, which gives us enjoyment. But yes, we have created our own rules. we are not we don't try to go by the society rules and यही norm है जो norm बना के रखता है ना, उसी में बहुत stress हो जाता है.
Because, see, there are no set standards. I am a very different person. My partner is a very different person. You are a different person. Your partner is very different. So we
हाँ.
can't say that, we as a couple and you as a couple would, share a same chemistry or a same bond. So, जो
Yes.
एक वो है ना, one size fits all, इसी एज पे शादी करना है, इसी एज पर ये
Yes.
करना है, या
Yes.
शादी के बाद ये चीजें हैं जो हर कपल को करनी है. I think that's crap, because we need to come out of that mindset.
Yeah.
Like you beautifully said, there are different set of rules which I have created personally for my relationship, and that's really required. You
Yeah.
have to understand मेरी और मेरे partner की इस relationship से क्या need है और क्या fulfill हो रही है, which can
Right.
be very different from 10 couples that you meet every single day.
Right, 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 right. So, I mean, I've worked in IVF space also, right? I've worked in infertility also. And I used to get couples and I'd be like, okay, you're trying for a child. So they'll be like, not for like, family ne bola hai. Like parents are saying that, that so they themselves are not even trying for a child. It's because of the family pressure, right? They're trying to do it because someone else wants.
Right, right.
Right, that those are the small mistakes that we are making in our relationships, in our marriages, where we are trying to do things for someone some third person.
Absolutely. I think, that reminds me of a beautiful
Hmm.
incident.
Hmm.
जैसे we were talking about this thing कि सबको लगता है शादी है तो सबकी सेम होनी
Hmm.
चाहिए, या
Hmm.
सेम सेट ऑफ रूल्स हर शादी में होनी चाहिए.
हाँ, हाँ,
So,
हाँ.
my brother, he got married last year.
हाँ,
And,
हाँ.
आजकल, if you know, when the photographer comes, they do those small trailers and videos for
Yeah,
real fun
yeah,
stuff.
yeah,
तो
yeah.
उनका एक रील था जो वायरल हुआ, and trust me, it was hilarious. So he was just creating a fun reel for marriage,
Mhm.
and it has some more than 1.5 million views. And
Wow.
so my brother, he asked this question to my brother कि आपका शादी के बाद क्या प्लान है, and he's like, मैं चाहता हूँ कि शादी के कुछ टाइम तक मैं काम करूँ, उसके बाद आई जस्ट रिटायर एंड मेरी वाइफ सारा काम करे, मैं उसको ब्लेसिंग्स दे रहा हूँ, एंड
Wow.
she grows and she just does everything, और मैं सिर्फ chill करूँ.
हाँ.
And trust me, the kind of comments they were there on that post, that reel, they were hilarious. They were like commenting to my sister-in-law, "Arey bhag jao, this guy is not right for you. These are red flags. This is this. He
Oh
doesn't
my
deserve a girl like this." And then, obviously,
God.
females were commenting on her, telling
Hmm.
her to run away, break the marriage. The guy is a big red flag.
Yeah.
And the guys, they were hilarious. They were like, अरे हमें भी ये लाइफ चाहिए, हम ये बात बोल नहीं पा रहे थे ना, तुमने बोल दी है, and all those things. So it was fun reading those comments. But yeah, that gave me a perspective. Everybody looks like, यही एक set of rule होना चाहिए. A guy
Yeah.
should work, he is a provider, he should do,
I mean, there's
and
so
a
much
girl should,
pressure, right?
yeah, a girl should be in a certain way. But why not? I mean, the generation younger to us, I've seen them, they're doing so well. The girls are doing so well in their career
Yeah.
and they want that career. So who are we to say that movie Key and Ka, he's a
Yeah.
guy's husband, and
Yeah.
this, I didn't find anything wrong there. It's not
Yeah.
against society's norm. अगर मेरे रिलेशनशिप में मेरा हस्बैंड मुझे कह रहा है कि यार मैं घर संभालूंगा, तू जाके काम कर, and it's okay for both of us. I would love to do that for the love I
Yeah.
have for that person.
Yeah, my husband has been sailing for 20 years.
Hmm.
कि अभी बस हो गया, मुझे घर में बैठने दो, मैं पूरा घर संभालूंगा, मैं डॉग्स को संभालूंगा, मैं सब कुछ करूंगा, बस तुम बाहर जाके काम करो. एंड ही ऑल्सो सेज कि मतलब हम पे कितना प्रेशर है. Like by the it's like till we when we grow up at that time itself the brain, I mean I don't want to call it brainwashing because
Men
parents
are
did
taught.
what
Hmm.
parents did what they knew best, right? They,
Obviously,
they
yeah.
felt that this is the right way to go, right?
That's what females are told कि आपको घर संभालना है. Men are told you have
हाँ,
to provide, and hence वो
हाँ,
बचपन से ही men are considering life in a certain way, and
yeah,
females are
yeah,
considering life in a certain way.
yeah,
But I
yeah.
think it's high time we should break those stereotypes and just not try to fit in the same box where everybody is trying to fit, and create your own set of
Like,
rules for your
yeah,
marriage to last.
exactly. Like your own set of rules where your husband, he wants to do help out in the house, he wants to do certain things, let him do, right? And if you want to go out and work, do it, right? No one is stopping you. The only reason why it was said that yes, females are, take care of home better is just because of the wiring. It's just
Yeah,
that
yeah.
you are a good multitasker, you can do multiple things. And men, if you give them 10 different chores. They'll do one chore at one time, but they'll do
But
it
I
properly.
think that also comes with
Tiring.
practice. We've been
Yeah,
wired and we've practiced that thing
tiring.
forever. Yeah. But अगर आज मैं कुछ और करना शुरू करूँ, I'm sure I can just pick it up very
Exactly.
soon. Yeah.
Exactly. If the interest lies,
Yeah.
and if the interest, I mean, I think the one of the biggest chefs are all male members, right? They cook beautifully,
True.
right?
True.
In fact, even in my house, my husband is a better cook.
Lovely. I think that's another reason your marriage is going, at a beautiful
Yes.
Another thing, I would like to add here is, a
Hmm.
lot of us, we allow the interference of other people in our married life, whether it's our mother, mother-in-law, our sister, our fathers, people, our friends for that matter. I
Yeah.
think it's a very intimate space, whether you're married or you're in a committed relationship. You should never talk about your personal stuff to people outside because everybody would have a very different perspective,
Perspective.
right?
And the generation gap also.
या बहुत बार क्या होता है हम लोग क्या करते हैं इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू कन्वे आवर हार्ट एंड फीलिंग्स टू आवर पार्टनर तो हम बाकी लोगों को बहुत इजीली बताते हैं आई हैव डन दैट इन माय पास्ट आई वुड
Yeah.
नॉट डिनाई दैट बिकॉज
Yeah.
उसको बताना मुश्किल था तो मैंने बाकी लोग को जा करके बताया
Exactly.
बट द प्रॉब्लम इज वो लोग सोल्यूशन नहीं दे सकते सोल्यूशन सिर्फ आप दोनों ही ढूंढ सकते हो
Right.
सो
Because
नेवर
the solution match ही नहीं होगा ना.
exactly. So, because they have not been in your shoes, they don't know what exactly you're going through.
Yeah.
वो एक common perspective provide कर देंगे, but that's not all.
Right.
And I think we should draw that line there, चाहे वो मेरे parents हो, मेरे husband के parents हो, कोई भी हो for that matter, family, friends, they should not be allowed beyond a certain line. मुझे 10 बार सोचना पड़ेगा,
Boundaries.
कि ये मेरा best friend है, ये मेरी best friend है, but still, I cannot say beyond this. School,
Yeah.
college
Yeah.
time probably different, but today I will not interfere and tell, oh, this is what you should do. Or your
Yeah.
husband or your wife is like this. I'm nobody to say that.
Yeah, very true. So like between couples, you want to reach out to someone and just share and vent out. That's perfectly fine. But if you are taking certain decisions, that's something that you have to do it with your chosen one, your partner, right? And not listen to 10 different people because they see again they are coming from a space of love and affection for you. May it
True.
be your mother, may it be your sister, may it be your friend. They just want to protect you.
Yeah.
But in this quest of protecting you, they are actually indirectly harming the relationship
100%.
because the other person who's a part of this relationship, he is not aware, he or she is not aware. They
Absolutely.
don't even know what's happening in the background, right? So
Shailaja,
ये protection hai. Yeah.
yeah. So if you want to just reiterate the top 5
Yeah.
things a person should do in order to sustain and keep the marriages going.
Mhm.
What is your, whatever we've discussed so far, if you want to quickly, bring up all the top 5 points which people should follow to keep their marriage and relationship going on. Could you
Mhm.
quickly do that for us?
So for me, the first thing that pops up is that, make your own rules,
Yeah.
right? Be your own self, right? Marriage is not forever. That whole pressure, right?
Yeah.
Consider marriage as a part of your life and not just the whole life, right? What else comes up in your mind, Shilpa?
So another thing, like we said, don't allow other people to interfere in your
Don't
relationship.
allow, yeah, the point, the third wheel.
The third wheel, like we say.
Yeah.
And last but not the least, because there are so many perspective here. Last but not the least, always go and express yourself to your partner before speaking your
Before
heart.
going to someone else.
Yeah, somebody else, because that's the space you should create. That's what will make your relationship last. कुछ भी feel हो रहा है, you have to create that space. अगर आपको insecure भी feel हो रहा है, go and tell your partner, I'm insecure because of your this
Yeah.
action. I'm
Yeah.
jealous because of what you are doing. So,
Yeah.
अगर वो प्यार होगा, वो commitment होगा, वो respect होगा, the other person will gradually understand. वो blame नहीं हो रहा है. I'm owning that कि मुझको ये
Yeah.
हो रहा है. I'm not saying तू ये कर रहा है या
Yeah.
आपके कारण ये हो रहा है. I'm taking the ownership. मुझे ऐसा feel हो रहा है. So can you do something to make me feel easy?
And trust me, even if you don't get a response then and there, okay,
Hmm.
somewhere at the back of your partner's
hit
mind,
them
that
there.
thought is there,
Yeah.
and they will, their actions will change. Their actions will start speaking for that concern that you've just mentioned. And you will
Yeah.
start just observing those changes. Not everything needs to be said. You have voiced out, and that's it.
Yeah.
Give your partner the space and the time to actually make those changes.
Absolutely. And you
Yeah.
can really work them together without a third person in your relationship. So just the two of you who can
Got
only
it.
make
Yeah.
this relationship work.
Yeah.
So thank you so much, Shailaja. I think we've shared some beautiful perspectives. Every
Right.
time we talk, I think it also makes us understand life more deeply and more beautifully.
Very true. Yeah. Yeah. Like I'm very grateful for this opportunity that we have received in terms of the
Yeah.
podcast, because whenever we speak, we learn so much,
Even
right?
about our own life, how far
Right.
we've come in our journey, or what we are doing. So that's
Yeah.
really
Very
beautiful.
true.
And guys, we really wish that your marriages last forever. And in relationships, if you are in a committed relationship, you are with your partner forever, and you just love them for the person who they are.
Yeah.
And yes, do like, subscribe, and share this podcast with as many people as you can. Like our channel, subscribe, and we will see you guys next week. Another beautiful topic. And if you have something that you would want us to create a podcast, do let us know in the comments below, and we'll come up with a new podcast.
Right.
Thank you.
And do let us know in the comments if you've tried any of these tips that we have shared and how it has been helpful.
Yeah.
That'll be great for us to read.
Or maybe something that has worked for you that we haven't spoken about.
Exactly. Yeah.
That'll be great if you can share in the comments, because that'll be a different perspective for more people who are watching us.
Yeah. Very true. Thank you,
So
Shilpa. Thank
thank
you.
you. God bless you all, and see you guys soon.